let's start solving. So, we are going to start solving the problem, then we will compare the two ways. Now, what do I have? For the partial products here, I have the first product, 6 times 3 or 3 times 6. So the answer here is 18. What comes next is 3 times 20, which is 60. Then I have 30 times 6, which is 180. And finally, what do I have? I have 30 times 20, which is 600. The last step is what? To find the product. I'm going to add all of this and I will get the answer that we got before, which is 858. Now, if we look at the other way, can we do it? Do you remember the numbers? Here, what did I have? I had 18, then I had 60, here I had 180, and here I had 600. And the answer that I got was what? 858 as well. Now, if we look at the two ways, what will we find? We will find that we decompose the numbers according to their place values and that we went through the same exact multiplication operations. The difference between the two ways is that we don't write the multiplication operation in the area model. Now, let's solve the same problem using the standard algorithm. So I'm going to write it over here and we are going to use the standard algorithm. So what are my two numbers? 26 multiplied by 33. Let's start. First of all, I'm going to multiply 3 by 6. When I multiply the 3 by 6, I get 18. So I will write the 8 over here and I will regroup the 1 over here. Now I will continue with what? As we always know, down, right. So 3 multiplied by 2, I have a 6, which is translated into 60. Now I will add 1 to it and it becomes what? 70. So I will write it over here, which is a 78. If I move to the next step, don't forget that the place value of 3 here is 30. So before I start, I will add here a 0. Then I will multiply normally. 3 times 6, this is what? An 18. And I will add here 1. Now I will multiply the 3 by the 2 and then I get what? I will get 6 plus 1, 7. The final step is to add. When we add, we have here 8. Then what do we have? We have 15. I will write the 5 and carry out the 1 on top of the 7. 7 plus 1 is 8, which is the same exact answer. Now, we will notice that out of the 3 answers in that first line of the standard algorithm, we wrote what? 78, which is the sum of the 60 and the 18. So it's the sum of the 60 and the 18. And when we check the next part, this is what? 780. 780 is the result of adding what in the area model? 600 plus 180, or here 600 plus 180. So 780 represents the sum of these two numbers and 78 represents the sum of these two numbers.
شوف الحلقة كاملة من خلال تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا مستقبل يبدأ الآن.